Hello. Today I'm talking about the intelligent technology of your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback car. Let's have a look. The electronic stabilization control ESC increases the car's stability. It reduces the tendency to skid and improves the stability and road holding of your vehicle. The ESC detects critical handling situations such as understeer, oversteer, and wheel spin on the driven wheels. It is stabilized the vehicle by braking individual wheels or by reducing the engine torque. The indicator lamp you can see in the heads-up display, and you can switch on and off the ESC in the center console in your interior. In the ESC option, there are some different type of control units in one car. That means there it is. The anti-lock brake system, ABS, prevents the wheels from locking up under braking until the vehicle has reached a virtual standstill. You can continue to steer the vehicle even when the brakes are on full. Keep your foot on the brake pedal and do not pump the brakes. You will feel the brake pedal pulsate while the anti-lock brake system is working. And in this system, there is a brake assist system built in. This can shorten the braking distance. The braking force is automatically boosted if you press the brake pedal quickly in an emergency situation. You must keep pressing the brake pedal until the danger has passed. In this system, the traction control system is included, ASR. In the event of wheel spin, the traction control system reduces the engine torque to match the amount of grip available. This helps the car to start moving, accelerate, or climb a gradient. Also in the box is the electronic differential lock, EDL. When the EDL detects wheel spin, it breaks the spinning wheel and directs the power to the other driven wheels. Or if you're a quattro version, or wheels on the in this function is not available at high speeds, it's only in the lower ranges. To prevent the disc brake of the brake wheel from overheating, the EDL cuts out automatically if subjected to excessive loads. The vehicle can still be driven. The EDL will switch on again automatically when the brake has cooled down. Intelligent technology. Selective wheel torque control is in the box too. Intervenes when cornering by braking the wheels on the inside of the band individually as required. This enables precision cornering. And you have a multi-collision brake assist system on board that can help to reduce the risk of skidding and further collision during an accident. If the airbag control unit detects that a collision has taken place upwards of a certain speed, the vehicle is braked by the ESC automatically. But take care, the vehicle will not be braked automatically if the driver presses the accelerator. The brake pressure applied by pressing the brake pedal is higher than the brake pressure initiated by the system. Or the ESC, the brake system, or the vehicle's electrical system are not fully functional. And take care, the grip provided by the ESC and the integrated system is still subject to the physical limits of adhesion. Always bear this in mind, especially on wet or slippery roads. If you notice the system cutting in, you should reduce your speed immediately to suit the road and traffic conditions. Do not let the extra safety pride tempt you into taking any risk when driving. This can cause accidents, of course. So, if you push the indicator button at the center console to switch off the ESC, take care of your car and your life. Remember that the accident risk always increases if you drive fast, especially in corners or on a wet or slippery road, or if you follow too close behind the vehicle in front of you. Please bear in mind that even the ESC and the integrated system cannot compensate for the increased accident risk. When the accelerating on a uniformly slippery surface, for instance all four wheels on ice or snow, press the accelerator gradually and carefully. The driven wheel will otherwise start to spin in spite of the integrated control system, which would impair the car's stability and could lead to an accident. To ensure that the ABS and ASR system works properly, all four wheels must be fitted with identical wires, and difference in the rolling radius of the tires can cause the system to reduce engine power when this is not desired. The system can make noises when they intervene, and you can use the switch in the center console to get it on or off the system. The ESC is switched on automatically when the engine is started. The ESC operates in several levels. Depending on which level is selected, the stabilization function of the ESC restricted or switched off, and the vehicle is stabilized to greater or lesser degree. That means take care of you and drive safe and easy. So that it is your intelligent technology on your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. And in this lesson it was the electronic stabilization control. I like it really much because this gives you safety at driving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.